For decades, many homes have relied on those big, noisy units hidden in basements or attics, often connected to outdated gas furnaces, oil burners, or outdated heat pumps. They move air through your ducts, but they're inefficient, loud, and far from today's standards. At SumZero Energy Systems, we've embraced the next generation of ducted applications. These modern systems take the old idea of an air handler and improve it with compact design, quiet operation, and advanced technology that adjusts continuously instead of wasting energy by switching only on and off. That means lower energy use, greater comfort, and less noise. One of the key benefits is multi-position flexibility. Whether your home requires a vertical setup in the basement or a horizontal layout in the attic, today's ducted systems are designed to adapt. Their compact size and insulated construction mean less air leakage, quieter performance, and a smoother fit into your existing space. This modern approach doesn't just improve comfort, it reduces operating costs by up to 40% compared to traditional systems. And with Mass Save certified installation from SumZero, homeowners can access rebates of up to $10,000, plus enjoy $0 down, 0% financing, and up to 84 months to pay for qualified customers, making it easier than ever to upgrade. Isn't just an installation, it's a transformation. You get reliable comfort, seamless integration with your ducts, and the confidence that your home is ready for the future of heating and cooling. SumZero Energy Systems, the #1 choice for ducted heat pump applications in Massachusetts. Upgrade today and never look back.